Kumiko-Teressa reporting from Tokyo, Japan. I'll be introducing you tons of delicious ramen noodle places. Have you ever tried ramen noodles in Tokyo? If you haven't, you really should. This guy over here, his name is Dorance Ishimoto. He's a comedian in Japan known for eating tons of good ramen noodles, and he knows a lot about it, and he's the one who's going to be doing the report. So let's check out today's Tokyo ramen. Today I'll be introducing a ramen noodle shop in Nishizabu, a trendy place which is 15-minute walk from Roppongi, a spot known for being very popular among tourists and expats. The ramen I have an eye on is called Kogashi ramen, a little burnt miso ramen. The color of the soup is all black. Don't you wonder if it really tastes good? Once you try the soup, you'll realize how delicious it is. You won't be able to stop taking sips once you take the sweetness and richness of miso. Straight noodles go very well with the soup. Half-boiled egg has the flavor and slightly burnt smell of miso. It gives you a luxurious feeling as if it were smoked. I would recommend enjoying your walk to this place from Roppongi Station. You will be able to see Roppongi Hills and a famous Japanese cartoon character, Doraemon. Enjoy art at National Art Center, Tokyo. So, what did you think? I bet you would like to try ramen noodles from this shop. Next time you're in Tokyo, make sure you try this ramen noodles, and don't forget to let your friends know. I'll be introducing a lot of Tokyo ramen noodles, so be on the lookout. I think I'm going to try a bite. This is delicious. So, I will see you in ramen noodle places in Tokyo. Bye!